Welcome to HydraGon Tutorials. After opening your new position, you'll find it in the Portfolio section of the staking platform. In this section, you can check current information related to your Hydra wallet. Here you can see the amount of Hydra currently being delegated, claimable rewards, and the amount of Hydra still available in your wallet. Below that information, you'll find a list of currently open positions. In this list, you can check how long a vested position will take to start maturing, how much Hydra is being delegated for each position, and how much Hydra has been rewarded. If you hover the mouse cursor over the earnings amount for a specific position, you'll see how many rewards have been generated, even before the position reaches maturity. After a position completes the vested period, it will start maturing automatically. You may choose to collect the rewards once the maturity ends or multiple times during its progress. During the vesting period, you may choose to swap the currently assigned validator. You can do this by clicking on the swap icon and selecting another validator from the list. This operation won't affect the vested period or your rewards. After swapping to another validator, you'll see a new position on your portfolio list, but only the new one will show the amount of delegated Hydra.